First stop, London. So the last time I was in London was in 2012, and it was about 3 months before the Olympics here. And I got to tell you some stuff. Since walking around, I've noticed things have really changed. And when I say changed, I really mean cranes. 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 Crane. Cranes. 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 Crane rainbow. Cranes. 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 Crane. Scaffolding. Anyway, enough of the craneathon. I'm currently in Hyde Park, stretching my legs. So I'm in London for a couple of days. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to have a bit of fun. Thought I might get the GoPro out, do a bit of time lapse, and maybe tonight just head out and do a bit of, say, long exposure photography around the Thames. Yeah, let's give it a go. So I'm actually at the Millennium Bridge, which leads across to St. Paul's Cathedral. So what I've done is I've actually gone underneath the bridge, and I'm using the bridge as a lead-in line going across the Thames River. I've got a 30-second long exposure at 6.3, f-stop 6.3 at an ISO 100 to keep the grain down on the picture. So what I've done now is I've actually switched the camera over to the timer release, which gives me a 2-second release. So I'm going to take this shot now and we'll see what it looks like. I'm coming into the end of the 30 seconds. Yeah, that's not too bad, I don't mind that. All right, on to the next location. So I'm on the iconic London Bridge, which was finished building in 1894. And it really is such a beautiful bridge, and I'm actually doing a long exposure right now. So just for those, I'm on 14 to 24, I'm basically on 14 mil. I've got an f-stop of about f13 at 30 seconds with a delayed shooting timer of 2 seconds to stop any camera shake. Now that one's just a tad overexposed, so I'm just going to wind it back a bit. So now what I've done is I've put it back to f18 at 25 seconds. Now all I've got to do is wait for a nice big double-decker bus to come on through, and I'll get those nice light trails. Okay, I can see a double-decker bus. It's down the other end waiting for me at the red light. Okay, here comes the double-decker bus. And I'm about to let the shutter go. 2-second timer release, and through he goes. Now I've also got my rear viewfinder covered. It stops actually any stray light coming in through the viewfinder and ruining the photo. Yeah, that's pretty good. Anyway, thanks very much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I've got heaps more photographic adventures coming up soon, so come along and join me. Anyway, good night from London. Next time on Photographing Iceland. Can't tell you how excited I am. This is going to be amazing. This is a dream come true. This is what I've always wanted to do, go to Iceland and photograph it. Yeah.